Can you watch that while I go behind the wheel? Right, ready?
That was a real horrible idea.
Did I get you?
We just got to make sure it doesn't come off, because it'll probably smash into my limo. So we'll just go gentle. Right, whip it back.
Well, do you want to stop traffic?
Give me a minute. That wheel's fucked as. I can probably take it out of park.
No, let's just leave it there.
Can you load it from there?
Yeah, we'll give it a go. I'll just drag it around on the side.
Let the man empty my fucking bin. My bin's already empty. What, you're just gonna whip it sideways? Where the fuck are my brakes? I don't seem to have any brakes on this car.
I'm gonna keep coming back until
I thought I had brakes on here.
I get. Nah, this is gonna be fucking shit. I can keep dragging it. Yeah, that's good.
We need to get them bolts out.
Which ones?
These top ones. I was trying to do that with this whole diff. Will scared me because he said the diff was going to hit him in the head.
Oh, no, because the shocks are holding.
Shocks are the only thing holding in. I mean, swing down and hit him in the head.
Yeah, well, that'll be funny. Get the camera right.
I thought it'd be good if someone got a yoke to the head,
Why don't we tap it with a
not an egg yolk.
Yeah, you can get a hammer.
Where? Would that be?
Next to Will's toolbox there. Community toolbox.
Oh, God. Here, hold this.
Oh, mine was a Metabo as well.
Yeah, it's
No,
Yeah, the
memories.
brushes will go in that real soon.
No, it's not. It's not even a soft start.
Yeah, neither was mine. Mine was like ancient.
Just
Pretty
straight,
sure my dad stole it from cash converters.
just straight to the point. Yeah, this was one of Dad's.
Was. I like how you said was.
Well, yeah, like he's still alive. But, you know, it says Paul. Paul's.
Give me that.
There's nothing else to cut, Ben. Maybe these tyres. You cut these tyres off later.
Well, I'll re-groove them, mate.
This bush is really good.
Oh, no, you want that tyre. Is that a good tyre for you?
Not really.
A bit of tyre shine will fix it. I'll put tyre shine on the penny. Oh, yeah, it looks good now.
On the out, yeah, but you put it on the paint as well.
Yeah, it's tyre shine. It's built for everything. Make anything look good.
How are you any sort of...
Yeah, these are fuel lines. Yeah. Go around.
Do you want to get the big grinder out for those?
We were going to cut the fuel lines, but health and safety said no. I'm just ready to go. That's all I need, eh? Put the dual calipers on my Fender.
Yeah. Another set of AU ones. Yeah, we're going to paint that later, so you can do that again. It's done.
It's actually turbo. Not yet, but like one day, if someone else does it.
No, I don't really like being turboed, but just say.
I wouldn't turbo it anyway.
Do an SR20 conversion and then just do timing chains.
I tried to do a burnout this morning. I actually, on my driveway, I got it to do a little burnout.
Yeah, because your driveway's dirt.
Yeah. Yeah, but
You keep taking me chargeable. What? This isn't fucking battery powered. Is yours battery powered?
Well, it is for a little bit, but
yeah, well, this is not battery powered at all.
That disc's good.
Yeah, it's yeah.
that's why we had it last time.
I've had it on for a few years. And then now he's obviously uninstalled. Expecting that.
Did you see my position? I was like, I only had 2 mil before I hit my
That is
toes.
uninstalled.
I don't know.
Have a look really nice here. It's shiny.
No, we were going to drop that because
He's a guy who just used the grinder to take the exhaust off. What happened here? I don't know.
I don't know at all.
I don't know. It's got grind marks on it. I don't know what
Yeah,
happened.
I don't know why that's cut through. Oh, that's safe then. What's your 9-inch there?
No, that's all protecting. Like, I know they're tough, but they're not that tough. This one's like 30 years old, so.
Do people say that to you often, Ben? Like, just what's your 9-inch there, mate?
Yeah.
That's his whole thing.
So what are you going to do with this thing, Ben?
What?
What are you going to do with this car?
Scrap.
The whole car. Fuck off, eh? So much easier doing this as like a wrecker's job.
Are we going to 9-inch everything?
I don't know what's been happening beforehand that made you think it wasn't a wrecker's job.
No.
Well, you've had the plugs out. That's a good sign to leave your car laying around with the plugs loose.
No.
I'm fucking faith, eh?
I'll cut them, eh?
Oh, hold on. We've got about Penny over there.
Yeah, leave them like that.
JDM.
Yeah, JDM Ben.
JD and Ben, they call him.
JDM Ben drives a Penny, owns a 9-inch, swims in dams, drives places with no brake pads. It's unbelievable, really, more than anything.
No one wants these auto lines, eh? Okay. Eyes.
Oh, nice.
Gas.
That's not water, it's oil.
Well, that's water. Tip it back a bit.
Just want to confirm that that's not time lapse. Oh.
Lay down.
Lay under it. Yeah, I'll play where all the dangerous stuff is. Well, yeah, stop.
Get a driver.
Go a bit more. Keep going. Pry it. Go again. Pry it. Go again. All the way.
Petey Lawrence.
I'll just mop all that.
Yo.
Yeah, not time where I'm mop.
Bit of damn water, good for it. Go
Are
straight
we on the
up.
fuel lines?
Yeah, have we?
No. Can't smell fuel, that's why I asked.
Get that knife. I'll do this fuel lines, mate. I'll do it properly, eh? Nah, the knife's funner. Oh, but they're hanging down. Give me the grinder.
Oh, yeah.
That's still better.
That's a good idea. Just get in there, the car's back down now.
So here we are back at the shed. After last night's adventure, we got us one of these, Series 2. It's actually we got the keys. It's actually a pretty tidy rig. Picked him up pretty cheap. XR8 manual, twin threes all the way to that muffler there. Lowering blocks. It's got a bit on. Sounds real healthy. Been sitting for 6 months or so. And I put the key in and started it straight up. Had a lifter tick for a minute or two and then went away. So we got another one. This yard is just full of gold at the moment. It's just gold everywhere. And it's a swampland as well. But other than that, not a lot. Today we're going to get back into the EL. We've got some goodies. We got some good bits made yesterday. It's the front half of the exhaust. Going 3.5, it's all 3.5 obviously. Chambered muffler. We'll go up from there. 3.5, flange it there. Get it over the diff and out the back. Gonna try and jam another muffler in the back there. It's a bit messy in here. We meant to have hail last night, so I had to just jam everything in under cover so it didn't get damaged. Jam all the cars in and stuff. But we shall see how today pans out. Got to get some new tyres on the truck shortly and get that AU off, and we'll see how today goes.